Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 9G Homework Billing. So open the Excel chapter 9. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So assignment title is Excel 9G homework billing. Go 22 Excel chapter 9 grader 9G homework billing. So download the materials and download the all files. So go to the download and open the Word file Excel 9G billing, and next is Excel 9G billing. So assignment title is Excel 9G billing. So we move to the main project step and total step is 10. So question number 1 is open the Excel workbook student Excel 9G billing. Excel is downloaded with this project and save the file in your Excel chapter 9 folder Excel macro enable workbook. So go to the Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded the Excel 9G billing. So question number 1 is complete and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is display the mortgage chart sheets and record the macro name and chart setup and then shortcut key text to the job and macro in this workbook. The as a description, create the footer in the chart sheet and then click OK. Begin to the record macro. So display the mortgage chart work. Go to the mortgage chart worksheet and next is record a macro and chart setup. So record the macro name. So record the macro name is chart setups. So go to the developer tabs and record macro name is chart setups. So click the record macro name is chart setup and then in the shortcut key box type J. So control J and store in the macro in this workbook. So store in this macro in this workbook as the description. Create the footer in the chart sheet. So create the footer in the chart is. So select the description, create the footers in the chart sheets and next is and then click OK to begin record the macro and then click OK. So question number 2 is complete. We move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is open the page layout tabs and click the margin and then click the custom margin. Display the header and footer tabs and then insert the custom footer on the mortgage chart sheets. Include the file name in the left section and sheet name in the right section and then stop the recording on the macro. So on the page layout tabs, so go to the page layout tabs and click the margins. So click the margin and then click the custom margins and click the custom margin and then click the custom margin. Display the header and footer tabs and then insert the custom footers on the mortgage chart sheet. Include the file name in the left section. So click the header and footer and click the custom footer. Include the file name in the left section. So include the file name in the left section and sheet name code right section. Sheet name code in the red section, insert the red section, and then stop the recording macro. Click OK and again OK, and go to the developer tabs and click the stop recording. So, and then stop the recording macro. Stop the recording macro. So question number 3 is complete. Now we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is display the macro dialog box and then edit the macro codes and click the after apostrophe in the lines below the second comments. Create the footer and insert the sheets and then press type button. So display the macro dialog box. So display the macro dialog box and edit the macro code and click the afters and click the edit the macro box, and next is edit the lines and the second comments, the footers and in the shorts and press space bars. Set the file name in the section in the line below the second comments, line below in the second comments, press enter. So question number 4 is complete, and so if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses with accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.